Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine and doing well. So today I will be tell you the five websites for background removal of images or any products. So let's start it. So the number five is this website footer and upload images here. For example, I will take an example here. Go to the desktop and this is the I take the image like this. Then the background I have the one credit here, so I think there should be a credit minimum credit mark, I think, whatever. So this the background mover is removed for this product, and now you will change the color if you want to anyone color. Even you can generate AI background here. So current scene random, yeah, you can change this from uh, with some random AI generated background. So let's check uh, if there should we have another option for this customize. Yes, yeah, okay. Now get ready to create. You successfully created. Okay, the AI background is generated, so is now generating, and this is very good for in the perspective of the this is the technology AI, and a lot of websites are now offering, so we can easily remove the background of the product. So this is like very funny, but this is check this one, and you can use this thing. So yes, so you can download this thing and HTML and a program. So this is the one website, and then now let's now move into the number four, which is Adobe Express, and this is a free online photo editor. So let's check his here. So where we can remove the background. Here your photo now. Remove background, I think, and yeah, this is edit your photos now. So let's just move into this thing, and so this is the Adobe Express, and just let's check the we can remove the name product. So I will put the image here again, the same one. This is the image, and drag it in here, and simply I will go first scale the image to the size of the okay. This is the image. Now I will go to basically add to background. No, here is an option which is the remove background. Simply I will click this in the background is now it's now loading, and it takes a few seconds. Remove background for a limited time. It's a free for a limited time. Okay, so the background is removed. Now I will go to edit. Okay, so the background is removed, and I scale the image, then go to the download, and download has a transparent one or even PNG one. So simply you can the photo is download here. Yeah, this is the photo is download. So let's move into the number three, and here it is now photoscaesars.com, and upload the image here from then let's try and open the image, and let's check how it's going. It will go, and then okay, it is now opening. Now it is like similar to the Adobe Express. The here is that the background is moved, and go simply to download and download in low resolution, because if we need to purchase if we want in high resolution. So this is what okay. Now this is the website, which is Photo Scissors. And let's move into the number two website, which is the clippingmagic.com. So simply go and upload image or drag image. I will upload the image, same one here. Simply you can go and this takes some seconds, I think few seconds for loading, and then the background image remove will take place. Hope so. So and it takes I think longer than expected. If you fail to connect the server, and please verify your network connection. I think there's a problem with my network connection or not. Okay, I think we'll move into the number one. If it is then we'll check later on. So this is the number one website. In this website, I used this website I used very much, and this is the my priority number one website whenever I need to remove the background or the any image or product. So simply go to the upload image and simply click this the image you want, and then you can even remove images in bulk, and just simply go and upload the image again, then the image will take place. So you can even remove the background in bulk. So this is what the background is removed and download the image. So there is additional functions here. You can edit this from, you can get the photo eraser, and you can erase something like and restore this thing if you erase something. And again you can add the design here, which is like create your free design. So yeah, transferring to the Canva, this should only take, okay, you can directly move into the Canva. So that will be amazing thing again. And okay, yeah, from here you can change even the background as well, just like this is not a professional, I think might be, okay, this is not a professional one, but but they should they given this for, I think. And just check it out, how is it looking into the manage put it, okay. This is what's the in Canva, and then you will add design or text, whatever elements you can design, and then you can upload wherever you want to upload. Okay, so this is the for today, and this is the five website, and this website is not, I think. Okay, now let's try this one and upload this again. Trying to upload this. Sorry. Okay, just few minutes. Okay, now this is the initializing, uploading, and then initializing. Okay, now okay, this is a preview, and let's download this. And this download takes some seconds. And the image, I think, download small preview. You can download such simply for result free for non-commercial use. The full size of commercial, please subscribe to the one plan. Okay, I think this is only for the non-commercial. It's not a commercial base, I think. Okay, no problem. We have another four options as well. So if it's not up to mark, so now we move into the last thing, which is the now I should discuss is that uh, what type of freelancers. Number one, the freelancer who are graphic designer or whatever the things they are doing can use these websites to remove the simple their images or their product of or their client images, client product images. If you are a client, if you have a business of you sell something in e-commerce, like in a product having multiple products or doing drop shipping, and you need to remove the background of your images, then can you remove it yourself, or you hire someone to remove uh, for yourself? So the question is, there's the concept which is called the time leverage and money leverage. Okay, so if you're a businessman and your time is very important for you, the single minute and minutes is important for you, then you definitely have someone that they can remove the background of the products if you have it in bulk, or even if you want to design the product images or whatever. So the main thing is time leverage and money leverage. If you have money, then you can buy the time of the freelancer, and the freelancer have a time, and then they get money from you, and remove the background, okay, of the products. And even if you want to design, you can hire simply the graphic designer as well. So yeah, if you have a time, and you are a small business owner, or what, if you are starting the business, and if you are starting the business, then you will simply, it has go and be remover in, and remove the background with yourself. Okay, no problem at all. So this is what I want to discuss at all. Now the last thing which I want to talk to with the freelancers or graphic designer, that uh, does this AI websites can harm freelancers or graphic designers from the perspective of jobs or projects, or has the perspective of their career. So I think I'm also a graphic designer, but the thing is, if the graphic designer uses the tools of AI, uses AI tools, if he uses the AI tools, then their time will be saved, and they will be more efficient and more do with this help of AI tools. So those freelancers who can't use these tools left behind. Okay, so probably the clients only have those one who can save their times, who can save their money, who can give them correct immediately or fast with the help of these tools. So yeah, the freelancer graphic designer remain, I think, remain in the industry, and these and they can use the tools to create a fantastic with the less time. Okay, take the example of Canva. With the help of Canva, graphic designer is not out of the market, but graphic design industry evolved with the help of the Canva software or all type of other softwares. So no doubt how much the industry evolves, I think the time leverage and money leverage concept will remain until unless some type of robots will come and take over all the tasks of the humans, and they can um, um, do with the behalf of yourself or freelancers. So this is, I think, this will happening in the future, but it takes a lot of years. So we should prepare for that as well, when the reports will come up and do whatever we did. But there should be a different two perspective of this, this one, that can robot replace humans or not. So this is a very detailed discussions. I think we will do this discussion in some other day or in some other topic. So I think it is enough for today, and take care. I love you.